How to see Street View in Google Maps in Android. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's begin. First, open Google Maps app on your phone. Tap on the search bar and enter the location you want to explore. Now, if the Street View is available, a Street View thumbnail will appear at bottom. Tap on it. Now you can easily explore the area in 360-degree view by swiping on the screen. As you can see that we have already got the street view of California, USA. You can also search in this way, and if there is a street view available, you can easily see that. So that's it. That's how you can see the street view in Google Maps on the screen. So I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.